So it's my first time in Thailand and my first time walking with local people in the fields, in the rice fields. Actually, it's very different from what I used to deal in my country, in France. So here we are growing rice. In the lands here, we are growing this rice for the chicken, replacing the corn that is normally used in the area.
Yep.
Kids told me much more eco-friendly to do it. I really appreciate this mindset. I can only approve it. Of course, the rice is also used for eating for us. When we finish the work, we have the rice from the fields to eat. So that's great. I was really wondering about farming. Now I realized the main difference here is that the people, they use and reuse everything. Everything is sustainable. For example, here we are trading chicken poop for making fertilizer in the farms. Everything has use. Happy to discover all these methods. So yeah, I'm very grateful for kids for giving me this experience. It's like unforgettable for me, everything, and so useful for me for the future. I believe it.